guys, it is me, Funduster today, and welcome back to another video. For today, I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. I'm going to be making fluffy white slime. If you want to make colored slime, you use food dye. But your ingredients, you'll need Elmer's school glue. It's the only kind that really works, right? So you want to get Elmer's. And shaving cream for the fluffiness, baking soda, and you want to get your eye contact solution, a container, and a spoon to mix, or a mixing tool. So let's unscrew the glue and get it all in there. So pour in all of your Elmer's glue, the whole bottle. Get it all out. Okay, there we go, it's all out. And then your shaving cream and okay, that much. And stir it up. Then need to get a teaspoon baking soda. Is there a little spoon in here? No, there's not. So we're just gonna put a handful. We're gonna put that much in there. Okay. So we don't need these anymore. Now let's keep mixing. But the thing is, if you put too much shaving cream, I mean, not too much shaving cream, but too much baking soda, it'll be too powdery. And if you put too much eye contact solution, it'll not be good because it'll make it hard and not stretchy. So now let's put get some eye contact solution. I don't think it's open. See it kind of mixing in. Let me touch it. Oh, it's still soupy. It's coming together though. Put some more. Let's touch. It's not good enough. I think we need to get more of our eye contact solution. Let's stir it up. Let's feel it. Oh, it's not ready yet. Okay, can I go in with my hands yet? No, not really. I need some more eye contact solution. Okay, I think it's time to go in with my hands. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Okay, so this feels like really good. So sorry, My Little Pony was just, Leonard was making slime and she needed the eye contact solution. It's almost done, this super fluffy slime. It's kind of breakable, but that's okay. Well, it's stretchy, pretty stretchy. So, here we go. So, just grab all the ingredients and put them together. And, yeah. Put that aside for a second. And, yeah. It's pretty good slime. It doesn't come off on my fingers. And it's really stretchy. So, yeah, that's how to make some super fluffy slime. So, yeah, see you soon, guys. And I don't normally make slime, so if that wasn't the right tutorial, comment down below. But, so yeah, sorry I hit the camera. Bye!